When it comes to cooking oils, olive oil and vegetable oil often steal the spotlight. But which one should you really be using? Olive oil is packed with heart-healthy fats and antioxidants, making it a top choice for your health. It has a lower smoke point, so it's perfect for sautéing and drizzling over salads, but not the best for high-heat frying. On the other hand, vegetable oil has a higher smoke point, making it ideal for frying and baking, but it lacks the same nutritional benefits. Many people think olive oil can be used for frying, but that's a myth. Just be mindful of the heat. Ultimately, choosing the right oil depends on what you're cooking and your health goals. So next time you're in the kitchen, think about what you're making and pick the oil that suits your dish best.